What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book of Entertainment. So, there is this social media account which is called JubJub, as you can see here, and it's got 1.8 million followers. And it shared, this article which is saying that Julius Malema's number was found on a Natim. It was found before his death, etc., etc. So, these are the people asking questions, like what is really going on, etc. But Malema himself, he explained, and said, I have so many numbers of the people in my phone. I even have General Sevia's number. Is also one of the people that he even mentioned at the ad hoc committee, and said, I have his number, and he is not an associate of mine or anything. So that might be the explanation to scenarios like these ones. It's just his phone number, in Natim Tetwa's phone. It's a different scenario like that of Senzo Mchunu, where he is like really communicating with Brown Mohotsi, for example. I'll catch you guys on the next one.